Okay, I'm gonna start another project. I'm gonna build a new yoke and fasten it to this slide of this GM Yost Patternmaker slide. But anyway, this piece of the yoke is broke off, and I just got it crazy glued on there to get some dimensions and measurements. This is the hinge pin, 1/2 inch round. That hinge goes through the upper and the lower yoke, and then it starts off going through the jaw face, and the jaw just swings on this pin to allow a 5 degree cant out of parallel from the stationary jaw that's fastened to the workbench. So I have this number here. This is a machine surface here. This is a machine surface here. Has to fit here and here. I'm gonna face this broken part off. Face this lower portion off to center probably. Take a billet, make this one piece, and bolt it onto the slide. There's plenty of material here for threading a couple bolts into the new yoke, or hinge half, whatever you want to call it. And then jig it up and get everything in position, and then drill it for the 1/2 inch round. I'm not sure I'm going to go with these. Original holes. I may fill these and rebore the whole thing all the way from here through the new billet and down here. You can see that this 1/2 inch round is pretty well off to the left of the machine surface there. I don't know. I don't think it was critical back then when they did it. It only rotates. It only turned this jaw face only turns minimal on that bolt. Okay, thanks for watching my video.